Hello, bro. I just want to make a short video to give you some guidelines on how to use the tool, the G-code generator version 1.2. This I put the English. I don't know the other language. I just put there like for the Google translation, and I think I hope it will help you. But I put the English here for easier. So for this tool, last time I also introduced I give some introduction on the trailing hose, the pattern, some pattern here like circle pattern or grid pattern, or you can input some certain position, then it will drill the hose for you. For this section, I moved to the cutter and router function that I think this one is will help the operators that they don't have the skill about the CAM software. They don't need any knowledge about the CAM software at all. They just need the dimension, right? Over here, like we have um, MDF sheet or acrylic sheet, whatever as long as the sheet here, we have one sheet of 1.2 meter and 2.4 meter long. Then we can divide this into, let's say it one piece is around 400 length here. Then we can have 6 pieces, right? Normally the sheet is longer than 2.4 a bit for the cutting compensation. So let's say we want to cut this sheet into 6 pieces of 400 mm. Then we use the tool over here, the cutter, the dimension we put. Let's first we have to add. Let's say we put 400 and we put the quantity here 6. Then it will generate the cutting for us, like the depth of the sheet, MDF sheet is, let's say 10 mm, we put here 10. If we want it cut one time 10 mm, then we put here 10 also. If we want it cut into twice, so one cut is 5 mm, then we put 5. If we cut twice every line for us. For this example, I put here 10 for easier. So the feed rate also how fast it's running. Plug in, let's say we can put it like 500 something here. Then the spindle speed we put here, and it's removed. Okay, let's say we have we cut from 0 x from 0 to 1200, or we can put it here 1300 to make sure that it will cut through the sheet, right? The tool diameter is 6.2. Yeah, 6.2 mm. Whatever the tool you want. Then we just we just press the button, generate the code. Then we can load it here. Load it here. You can see it will optimize from here, move to here. It will cut for you 6 pieces. Yeah. So that's if in case sometimes you don't want to cut it into pieces, equal pieces like this. You want a certain dimension you want. So you just put here, let's say you want at 500 mm, I cut one line and I move to around 1.2 meter, I cut one line. Then just that's it. Then we just put here and it will cut two lines for you. We load here. Then you see it cut one line here and one line here. It's quite easy for you, right? So this tool is it's available on the website. You can download it from here. Uh, this one. Hold on. Yeah, G-code generator 1.2. Over here, you can download and use it. Uh, yeah, beside that, we also have some other new feature like teaching. You see, we can teach for some movement, some mechanism that you want is to move to the certain position and do some certain task like uh, pick and place something. You can use this function. But I think I should put in another video for this function later on. But currently I give you some guidelines on this cut thing. Initially, I made this function for a customer. They cutting the marble sheet. They cut into pieces. Then it can be used for any other the same task like the acrylic cutter or MDF cutter and also can be used. It's included horizontal cutting or it can be vertical cutting. It can be cut like some position like 1000 and then we put 1.5 and we can put another one like 2000 or something like this. You can put and you see it will cut from here to here. You see, let's say over here 1000 for example, 1 meter the y direction and it will cut three line. You see it will cut three line. Yeah, that is the function, the new feature that I added into this new version. You can download and use it to see how. Thank you, bro.